chemical in. I love math.
All right, question number 3 says, enter an expression equivalent to all of this using the fewest number of possible terms. Okay. Enter an expression. This has no equal sign. That's why it's called an expression. Equivalent means equals to. And then it says using the fewest number of possible terms. So this is a term, 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 this is a term. I think they're just really telling us to do something like combining like terms. Combining like terms. Notice the ones I put in boxes here. Before I do that, I'm going to use PEMDAS to simplify. And I'm going to see if I can do anything in the parentheses first, which there's no like terms. And then I'm going to do the exponents. There are no exponents. These are exponents, but the next thing I'm going to do is the multiplication here of this negative sign. So I like to think of it as a -1, and I'm going to go ahead and distribute that. So I have 3x squared plus 2y squared minus 3x, and I'm going to drop the parentheses. Well, we don't really need this. 2x squared plus y squared minus 2x minus x squared minus 3y squared minus x. And I don't need that parentheses there. So now I'm going to look for the ones that are like terms. I'm going to put a box here around those that have anything with an x squared in it. So here's another x squared. This one has y squared. No, no, yes. And that's not part of the problem. Okay? And if I put a 1 here, then I'm just looking at the coefficients. That's the number in front. So 3 plus 2 is 5. 5 minus 1 is 4, so I'm going to have 4x squared. Okay, now I'm going to do a different shape, but I'm going to do anything with the y squared. So these are like terms. Like terms. Like terms. And like terms. So all my triangles there have like terms. And if you don't have a number in front, again, that number is 1. The leading coefficient is 1. So 2 plus 1 is 3. 3 minus 3 is 0. So I have 0y squared. And then I'm going to do circles for the last one. You can use any of your favorite shapes. They all have just an x. And this one doesn't have a number, so I'm going to put a 1 there. So I have -3 minus 2 is -5. -5 minus 1 is -6. I have -6x. Now we know that anything 0 times anything is 0, so essentially we don't have to write this. So what you're going to type in is 4x squared minus 6x. Now if this was on a computer and I'm going to type out these expressions, I'm probably going to type in something like this. I'm going to press the button 4, and then you can choose XX is my shortcut. You don't have to do the exponent. And then the minus sign. And then I have 6. And then I have x. So then here's what you would type in as your fewest number of possible terms. You only have 2 terms, 1, 2.
Missing formulas in life? Problems becoming too difficult to clear? Well then, you need Mr. Math Cleaning Solution. Just spray the liquid formula onto the mess, then wipe it clear, and enjoy the result. Mr. Math. Stay clean and calculated. Order now at www.gpproductions.com and get an additional